Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Okay, we can meet again in this morning, and in our class speaking, especially, we have the material about the describing of person. I think that all of you did ever describe someone. You will describe someone as like maybe you consider that you giving some inspiration, so there are ways to describe of someone. Why we must give on this material, because sometimes when we describe to someone, we will lose, or maybe we haven't an idea, or maybe some time we will stagnant and we don't know how to continue our sentences. So this is some way to easy for us to explanation, or maybe to describe of someone. There are some ways. The first is we can describe someone for appearance. So I think that you all have known about the appearance, start from maybe from face, or maybe from hair, or maybe nose or body. From this appearance, so we can describe someone using adjective noun. Adjective. So for example, that face. So we can start from, or maybe we can see. We can analyze from size, shape, or maybe of the color. For example, about the hair, from size, so we can description, or maybe we can explanation. Oh, that he has about the long hair, or medium or small. About the shape, there is someone that has about the curly, or maybe straight, or maybe board, yang tebal itu ya rambutnya. And then about the color, so the color we can describe about the color. For example, hair, there is about the white color, hair color, black color, or maybe brown color. This is about the hair. And still anything that we can explanation from the appearance, not only about the face, not only about the hair, so we can give the explanation about the nose, or maybe our body. Sometimes there is a person, or maybe there is person he has a tall, medium, about the size. So my father, he has a tall, or maybe he has a medium about the size. Kalau ukuran tinggi, about the medium itu yang sedang-sedang. And then about the eyes also we can explanation. Okay, not only eyes, not only nose, for all of the human body we can explanation, we can give the explanation about the description of the body. And then after we see the appearance, so we can move to the picture. For example, okay, look at this picture. Okay, from this picture we can describe from his hair. We can say that he has a brown hair. About the nose, so we can say that he has a flat, or kalau yang mancung itu adalah yang pointed nose. Kalau yang kebalikannya adalah flat nose. So we can say that he has a pointed nose. Not only about the appearance, so what another that we can explanation, about the description, about the describe a person. The second is about the character. Character is about the personality of the person. So when we talk about the someone, you might mention what they are like as person. Sometimes you find, or maybe you will find the human that he has about the character is arrogant, or amazing, or maybe careful, or maybe he is one of the impolite, or maybe kind. This is example the human character that we can explain. This is vocabulary that we can use to explain about the character of someone. And then the next is Now, oh yeah, see the picture in this. From this picture, we can guess what their character. The first picture that we can see, yeah, or maybe she is a shock, and then the second picture is about the she is happy. The next after a period after the character, so we move to the feeling someone is one of the way also to describe about the description of the someone feeling. So when we talk about the feeling, yeah, there are some ways, there are some example of the feeling. For example, yeah, you can see in our PPT, for example, afraid, yeah, for example, crazy, yeah, you are crazy, for example, yeah. And then the next is about the describe their activity or job or another information. From this picture, yeah, we can see that so many kind of the job, yeah. For example, there is some picture, he has become a policeman, or maybe he is a doctor also, and also firefighter. There is a nurse, she is a nurse. So many activity or maybe so many job that we can give the information from those people. Okay, so we can take the conclusion. So when we making description, or maybe when we describe to someone, so the first is we can see from the appearance, and then the second is from the character, and then the second is a feeling, and the last is from the job or maybe their activity. Yeah, so this all is about the ways to describe of someone. And then after we know about the ways or maybe step in describe of someone, so what will can use for describing a person? Yeah, that is simple present. We know that simple present is tense. Then you it is one of tenses. Simple present. Yeah, there are two kind sentences in every tenses. Yeah, not only simple present, also simple past and also simple future. There are two kind of sentences. Yeah, verbal and also nominal. Yeah, verbal is the characteristic is there is a verb. So when we making a sentence and then there is a verb, so it's belonging verbal sentences. Ya, jadi kalau yang sentence-nya yang ada kalimat kata kerjanya itu tergolong dari adalah verbal sentences. Nah, the characteristic is there are if we have about the positive sentences, so we verb 1, yeah, we can see, yeah, verb 1 plus s or es, yeah, and also there is to be, to or does if we making a negative or maybe interrogative sentences. Yeah, there is a subject, yeah, there we are in there, and also nominal sentence. Nominal sentence is the characteristic nominal sentence is there is an of verb. So the most characteristics in nominal sentence is using to be. For example, is, mr in simple present. Yeah, see, he, it is become is, and then you, we, they. You, we, they is are, and then I, to be, is am. So I think it's very simple. Yeah, it's very easy for to this material. Yeah, about the describing a person. Yeah, I hope that you can understand, yeah, about this, yeah, the material. So we can close by reading hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. The last I say, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.